Hello everyone and welcome to my channel that is Learning Undertaken by Dhruv Goyal. Today we are solving CAT 2022 Slot 1 DILR question. This question is quite good. Many of my students found this little bit of tough question. It was a tough question. Let's try to solve that thing. Let's try to understand this particular question. The set was there are 15 girls and some boys among the graduating students in a class. So I'm sure there are like 15 girls are given to us and there are certain students, certain boys who are graduating the class. They are planning a get together, which can be either a 1 day event, 2 day event, or a 3 day event. There are six singers in a class, four of them are boys. There are 10 dancers in a class, four of them are girls. No dancer in a class is a singer as well. That is also fine. Some of the students are not interested in attending a get together, means there might be possible certain students would not going to attend any day event. Those students who are interested in attending a 3 day event are also interested in attending a 2 day event. Those who are interested in attending a 2 day event are also interested in attending a 1 day event. That means if there are like certain students who are attending a 3 day event, the number of students who are attending a 2 day event will be more than that. But all the 3 days attending students will definitely be a part of 2 days event. And same goes with one as well. And there would be certain students who not be attending the event. I hope this is clear to everyone. Now, certain known facts which are there. All the girls and 80% of the boys are interested in attending a 1 day event. 60% of boys are interested in attending a 2 day event. Some of the girls are interested in attending a 1 day event, but not a 2 day event. And some of the other girls are interested in attending both. 70% of the boys who are interested in attending a 2 day event are neither singers nor dancers. 60% of the girls who are interested in attending a 2 day event are neither singers nor dancers. No girl is interested in attending a 3 day event. All male singers and two of the dancers are interested in attending a 3 day event. The number of singers interested in attending a 2 day event is one more than the number of dancers interested in attending a 2 day event. Now, question. Let's talk about questions. How many boys are there in the class? That is the first question. Which of the following can be determined from the given information? Two statements are given, and based on that thing, the condition is given that neither one or not two can be determined, or both statements can be determined, both and only one and only two. What fraction of the class are interested in attending a 2 day event? What best can be concluded about the number of male dancers who are interested in attending a 1 day event? How many female dancers are interested in attending a 2 day event? So yeah, let's talk about this particular question. Now, we know that this question belongs to a set theory, but I can't solve this question with the help of a Venn diagram. Why? There's too much, you know, uh, variables are there. Let's try to solve it through a table. So I'm just drawing a table. I know there are certain girls, there are certain boys, certain are singers, dancers. There are certain girls which are neither singers nor dancers, and definitely a total. Similarly, there are certain boys who are singers, certain boys who are dancers, certain boys who are neither, and total. It is given that there are certain students who are not attending any of the event. That means they have attending 0 day event. Some of them are attending 1 day event, 2 day event, 3 day event, and total. Let's try to solve through table. Let's try to fill in certain information that is given to us. There are 15 girls and certain boys. Total number of girls and total number of boys. Total number of girls are given, but boys are unknown. That is X. There are 6 singers, and 4 of them are boys. If 4 are the singers who are boys, that means 2 will be girls. There are 10 singers. Sorry, there are 10 dancers in a class, and 4 of them are girls. If 4 are the dancers as a girl, 6 dancers will be boys. There are 9 girls who does nothing, and this value becomes x minus 10. I don't know. Uh, I'll just put a space to write certain numbers. Now, all the girls and 80% of boys are interested in attending a 1 day event. All the girls are interested. That means 0 girls are, there would be no girls who would not be attending this class. And 50 for 80% of the boys are attending an event. That means this value becomes 4 by 5x, and this value becomes 1 by 5x. I hope this is clear to everyone. So we have taken, okay, this is 60% boys who are interested in attending a 2 days event as well, 3 by 5x. So we have taken this complete statement into account. Some of the girls are interested in attending a 1 day event, but not a 2 day event. Some of the other girls are interested in attending both. That means this value will be less than 15. This, if we are sure, will be less than 15. Okay. 70% of boys who are interested in attending 2 day event are neither singers nor dancers. Means the 3 by 5x, the 70% of this thing are neither singers nor dancers. 70% of this thing comes out to be what? 21 by 50x. Correct? And 60% of the girls who are interested in attending a 2 day event are neither singers nor dancers. I'm not sure about this particular number, but we can take it as a y. And as it is 60% who are not interested, this becomes 3 by 5 by. I hope this is clear to everyone. So we have taken this statement also into account. No girl is interested in attending a 3 day event. That means it will be 0, 0, 0. All male singers and 2 dancers are interested in attending a 3 day event. All male singers and 2 male dancers are interested in attending a 2 event. That means this will be 4, this will be 4. This could be any value. I'm not sure that if this will be 0 in fact, because all male singers are attending an event, right? So we have taken this into the account as well. Now the number of singers interested in 2 day event is one more than the dancers interested in 2 day event. Let's try to fill that particular 2 day event part as well. If this is 21 by 50, this is 3 by 5x, we can easily find out this particular value. If 30 by 50x minus 21 by 50x, that comes out to be 9x by 50. This complete value will be 9x by 50. But 4 is here. So I can say this value will be 9x by 50 minus 4. This will be the value. Correct? And similarly, when y is here, this complete value will be 2 by 5y. If I take it as z, this value becomes 2 by 5y minus z. Okay? Cool. We know that x will be a multiple of 5. Similarly, y will be a multiple of 5. Okay? If x is a multiple of 5, then only 1 by 5x, 4 by 5x, 3 by 5x will be the complete integer. Now we also have 21 by 50x. That means x is not only a multiple of 5. In fact, it should be a multiple of 50 as well. It can be 50 or 100, whatever value it can have. So let's try to understand, if it would be 100, then what is going to happen? 9x by 50 minus 4 is given to us. If I solve it, 9 into 100 by 50 minus 4, this value comes out to be 14. And the maximum dancers that I have is 6. That means x can't be 100. If x will be 50, then what will going to happen? 9 into 50 upon 50 minus 4. That means this value becomes 5, which is possible. So this value will be 5 and x will be 50. If x is in 50, 3 by 5x becomes 30. This becomes 40 and 1 by 5x becomes 10. These values are there. I hope this is clear to everyone. Similarly, 21x by 50 becomes 21. This is also clear to me. Similarly, your y will be less than 15, but should be a multiple of 5. Why? Because 3 by 5y is here and 2 by 5y minus z and whatever these values are given to you. That means y would be either 10 or 5. I can say 5 or 10. If this is 5 or 10, 3 by 5 becomes, this becomes 3 or 6. Yes or no? Definitely. If this is 3 or 6, that will be 3, 6. And this value becomes 2 by 5y. That means 2 by 5y becomes what? Either 5 or 2 by 5y. 2 by 5y becomes either 2 or 4. That could be the value. And minus z is here. Correct? But overall, if you see, neither are 3 or 6, total of 5 or 10. This value becomes 4 here. That could be a possibility. Now, a statement that is given to us, that is number of singers interested in attending a 2-day event is one more than the number of dancers interested in attending a 2-day event. Number of singers, that means Z plus 4 interested in attending is one more than the number of dancers interested in attending a event. I can say dancers will be 2 by 5y minus Z. If I add plus 1, right? And I also add what? 5 here. So that should be the value. If we solve this thing, right? This comes out to be 6, 4, so there will be 2 minus Z. So I can say 2Z is equal to 2 by 5y minus or plus 2. Correct? Or Z becomes 1 by 5y plus 1. Now I know that thing. Y can either be 5 or 10. If y is 5, then Z will be 2. If y is 10, then Z will be 3. Now same problem happens. Z can't be 3. Why? Because the maximum singers who are girls are 2 only. So Y can't be 10. Y must be 5 only. And Z must be 2 only. So if this is 2, Y is 5. So this becomes 0. This becomes 3. And this becomes 5. So I'm sure about these particular values as well. Correct? This has been solved. Now let's try to revisit the values. All girls and 80% of boys are interested in attending a 1-day event. If all girls are interested, then would be 2, 4, 9 who are interested in attending the event, and 60% of boys are interested in attending the event, 2-day event, right? 80% of boys is 40, 60% of boys is 30, 50 are the total number of boys for us. Some of the girls are interested in attending 1-day event, but not 2-day event. We know that thing. The girls who are interested in attending a 2-day event are 5, but 10 are the girls who are not interested in attending a 2-day event. And some of the other girls are interested in attending both. Yeah. 70% of boys who are interested in attending a 2-day event, neither singers nor dancers. We already know that value is 21. And 60% of girls who are interested in attending 2-day event are neither singers nor dancers. And we know that thing, that particular value is 3. Correct? No girl is interested in attending a 3-day event. We have put in all 0. All male singers and 2 dancers are interested in attending the event. 4 and 2 is there. We are not sure that how many people are attending 3-day event. That's why we couldn't put the other numbers. The number of singers interested in attending a 2-day event is one more than the number of dancers interested in attending a 2 event. So we have solved all all the questions. Now let's try to understand the question. What are the questions? How many boys are there in a class? I would say answer should be 50. We have 50 boys in a class. We have solved this thing. Second question, which of the following can be determined from the given information? The number of boys who are interested in attending a one-day event are neither singers nor dancers. We are unable to find this thing. This is not possible based on the information which is given. Number of female dancers who are interested in attending a one-day event. That is 15. Female dancers, sorry. Female dancers are 4. Everyone is attending. That means the answer should be only second statement. Third, what fraction of the class are interested in attending a two-day event? Total number of students who are there are 65. Let's try to see that what fraction of class are attending the event. We know 5 is here and 30 is here. That means it would be 35 by 65. If I carry it by 7, it comes out to 7 by 13. So that should be the answer, 7 by 13. What best can be concluded about the number of male dancers who are interested in attending a one-day event? So we know that thing. The dancers who are attending a two-day events are 5. And these 5 will be a part of day 1 only. But there might be possible there is one extra person will be there. This value can be either 5 or 6. We have that particular option. So answer should be 5 or 6. Last question. How many female dancers are interested in attending a two-day event? How many female dancers are interested in attending two event? Should be 0. This is the option. So yeah, the question was quite good. There are certain pointers that we have to take care of. But yes, it's a part of set theory which we have solved through table. So I urge everyone to solve all the previous year CAT questions. There are certain beautiful questions which are there and which are going to help you in understanding DILR further. Correct? And if you have any further queries, you can send me a mail at queries@throughquill.in. Do subscribe my channel to have for further updates. Till that time, thank you very much and have a good night.